What's up, y'all? Back on the Undaunted 372 XP. Oh, heck, you can't do that. What are you doing? Okay, so this has to be tightened down before you can even put the outside on. Okay, this is my first time. This is a prototype muffler. Okay, now we can go do this stuff. Tyler works for Undaunted, his friend owns it. Why is that bobbing out? What is going on there? We have to cut some bolts off here or what? Maybe that one's too long. Yeah, that one's never been cut off. All the other ones been cut off. It's all right. Found out you're an idiot. I may have screwed up. Yeah. I'll figure this muffler out eventually. But it never bottomed out if I had that on there. That's all right. It's still got plenty of thread in it. I can't stand running a saw without a dog on it. So he didn't send me one with it. So I put a little one on there. Just to test with. It really needs a big one on it, because that muffler sticks out farther than a factory one, you know. I just wrapped up, boys and girls. Low top, low top. Handlebar's a little goofy. It works, but it's a little bent. There she be. All right, what we gonna run on this sucker? What do we got here? I see a 24-inch Sugi. I think that's what I run on it before. I didn't know what chain I ran though. Oh man, that's a DGP chain right there if I ever seen one. Here's what happens if you don't wash your stuff out with DGP. It'll almost stand up on its own. Oh, that oil was terrible. I mean, that is just stiff. And so the guy explained that it just turns to gum. I ran it in my little quarter pitch chain. That quarter pitch chain would stand up on its own. Oh, that's terrible. I mean, it's got its place, but it ain't here. Oh man, that freaking link is jammed up. There we go. Now, if you got to freaking spray your chains and bars off with, you know, whatever. I think they were using like Simple Green or something to clean them with. The Saw Spa, they did a video on it. And he was having to use some sort of degreaser to clean this stuff off his bars. And the chains are the same way. If you leave it set on a chain like that one right there, the links won't even hardly bend in it. We gonna stick to petroleum. I'm all for saving the environment, but not when it's a pain in my ass. So I got samples, and I had a subscriber send me some. Oh, I don't even want to roll around the bar. Oh, there, I got them all break for you. All right, the Undaunted 372 is in business, boys. I don't have any fuel in here or not. We gotta go outside. All right, well, that's another video. Later.